In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove image background on Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to isolate a subject and get a clean, transparent background using Adobe's built-in tools without needing any advanced editing skills. First, open Adobe Express. You can approach this in two simple ways. If you just want to remove a background quickly and be done, head straight to the quick action specifically for removing backgrounds. It's designed for speed and simplicity. If you're already working inside a design and want to remove the background of an image that's on your canvas, you'll do it right from the editor. Let's talk through the quick action path first. Choose Remove Background, then upload your photo. Pick an image where the subject stands out clearly from the background if possible. High contrast edges and well-lit images usually get the best results. Once you upload, Adobe Express will analyze the photo and remove the background automatically, leaving your subject isolated on transparency. It's fast and hands-free, so you can move on with your project in seconds. Now, if you're already building a design, you can remove a background without leaving your canvas. Select the image right on your design, then look to the image panel on the left. This is your control center for image adjustments. Click Remove Background. The AI will detect your subject and cut out the background for you. You'll see the change happen right away, and it generally does a great job with hair, edges, and fine details. If the result isn't what you expected on the first try, don't worry. Sometimes complex or low-contrast scenes need a different source image to get a cleaner outline. Consider using a photo with a clearer separation between subject and background. Also, higher resolution images help the AI detect edges more accurately. If you decide you want the original background back, you can reverse the change just as easily. Click Remove Background again to toggle it off, and your background will return. This makes it safe to experiment without fear of losing your original look. To recap, open Adobe Express and either use the Remove Background quick action for a fast, one-off cutout, or select an image in your existing design and use the image panel's Remove Background button. Let the AI do the heavy lifting and toggle it off if you want to revert. That's all there is to it. Simple, fast, and effective. And